Now, with this being scenario C, my final rating for the first attempt was 704 out of 1050. So don't worry about, or don't focus majorly about the total score. Just focus on getting the best from your team. Here you see that my project scope rating was 200 out of 200. Now, exceeding management goals, I had 100 out of 100. Then in terms of the project, for achieving management goals in the project schedule rating, I had 238 out of 250. Then we see that the project resource rating, I had 86 out of 200. And the team process rating, I had 80 out of 100. Now, in this project, in this scenario, for instance, is that also I was over budget because I tried to minimize on my cost and to finish the task, to complete the task ahead of the schedule. You can see that with me, I'm finishing the schedule ahead of, I'm finishing the project ahead of the schedule. Now, if you look at my project progress, you see that I had 17 tasks which were unfinished, and I finished also 17 tasks in week 14. Then in terms of resources, my team size was 7. My cost was 5,950. Then we have these other ones. So my team process, let's look at my team process was, this is it. My management, this is my management. So that's it for scenario C. I believe again we can also just stick around. We see if I can give you an overview of how I did in scenario D. Thank you.